YouTube, how y'all doing today? Today we were out here taking a look at the NEXTORCH TA30C duty flashlight. This is a 1600 lumen flashlight. It comes with a pocket clip and they sell additional accessories. We have this FR1 finger ring on it, which is really awesome to get a really good grip on the guy. And we also have their V35 X carry. This is a holster for it. It goes right in, then you lock it in either direction. When you're carrying it on your belt, you put your finger through the ring, lift up, boom, right out. Really cool. And this has a very nice, easy to use clip. You just pull down the bottom, it opens up, slide it in, then when you push it in, you can hear it positively locks into place here. Another feature of this, you lift this up and you can change the angle that the flashlight rides at. So if you have this on your equipment mounted horizontally like this with your clip, you can rotate it into place and then you push this in and that locks your angle so it won't rotate on you. So this is a very, very neat, well thought out device. It's very nice high quality plastic here, nice and thick. Should be very sturdy. I have actually been using this out of my homestead for at least 3 months now. This flashlight, this holster assembly, I keep this on my SIG P322 holster, which is my main pistol that I carry outside of my homestead. I love that gun. I have probably 15,000 rounds to that gun. I've made God knows how many videos with it. And I keep this on the holster, so I've always got this sucker handy and ready to go. Now it has a super easy to use UI. It's a duty type light, so it always comes on turbo. You just soft push the back and you got full power, and then you take the back and you push it in all the way and you got turbo mode. Okay, so simple push, half push, you get full like brightness, and then you push it in all the way and you got turbo mode. Now in addition to that, we have this little ring right here, and you can use this for administrative use if you want to keep it turned on. It's got 4 click settings for low, medium, high, and then strobe. Okay, so you can use it, put it down, use it hands-free, keep it steady on. You don't got to worry about keeping the button held in this way. But this is a very simple, easy to use light. It's rugged aluminum construction. Really nice. I'll put the full specs on the screen right now. And as you can see, this has absolutely fully duty rated specifications. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to out here tonight on my homestead. It gets pitch black out here at night, and we will put this guy to use and illuminate some stuff so you can see how well this works out here in the country at night. I'm way out in the country in a homestead, and I can really put flashlight performances to the test. I have tested lights from Phoenix, Claris, Nightcore, CV Life, Olight, like all kinds of companies, and this one really stacks up well to all of them. This is a very, very nice light. So we're going to take a look at this tonight, and we'll get back out here and we'll wrap things up. All right, folks, we're out here on my homestead. As you can see, it is absolutely pitch black out here. Cold too, very, very cold out here. So I'm sucking it up for you guys. Hit this TA30C and see what kind of power she's got. You can see that lights up my rabbitry, lights up my garage, no problem. Oh yeah. Over here we got a vehicle. It lights up the vehicle, no problem. You could see inside of it. You could see the occupants. You can see this has a very good performance. Now if we look down here, my pistol range at 30 yards, and that is very clearly visible. You can see all those targets, no problem. Make them out very easily. Look down here in these woods. And you can easily see 50, 60 yards into the woods. Really the problem, it's the density of the woods that becomes the problem, not the amount of light, because, you know, you get so many trees and stuff that you can't see through them. And down here across the lake down there, you could see You can see the boat there on the screen. I'll circle that. And then right beyond the boat, there is a 12 by 20 mini IDPA target that's painted green. And you can see that very, very clearly as well. So this is actually really good light. It's got excellent performance. Very, very impressive. You can see up here in the treetops, no problem.
Up there, blasting trees. You see it?
This is a very good performing light, folks. Definitely powerful enough for any kind of duty use. And the form factor and the user interface are both very, very good. I like it. Very nice light. All right, let's head back inside. All right, folks, so you get to see this guy out here at night. You saw how impressive the performance is, and this is really impressive performance. And this is actually a pretty compact light body compared to a lot of other lights that I test. The head is, normally the whole body is as big as the head on this. So this is a little lighter, a little more compact, a little more sleek than a lot of the lights I test. But it's really, it works well. It's super easy to use. This is a really nice flashlight. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Free My Me out.